14 SP Authentic Football. The last year of Upper Deck SP Authentic Football for a while. 78, I don't know how long. Probably 5 years at least. This has been my crazy good product. I expected it to be good, but it's been really good. I actually didn't open a box for the first. It came out right before Christmas. I didn't open a box till the middle of January. I was kind of waiting for the price to settle down a little, and it did a bit, but not as much as I thought. So that just shows it's a pretty good product. There's usually an auto right out of the gate in this. Oh, it's filthy. Teddy, that's awesome. That might be the variation too. Nope, just the base, but I was checking for a high number. If the back number was over 100, it would have been the variation. It's 5, so it's the base. That's a filthy start. We need to get that sleeve too. That's straight to PSA candidate. Remove this cutter. It's a fun product. You get to open a lot of packs. That's one thing I like about it. There's tons of cards, tons of inserts, and just different things you can do with it. There's a Beckham Jr. Yeah, it's a good product. College uniforms are cool. There's so many products with the NFL uniforms. Not a lot with college, so I think it's cool. Something different. And it's Upper Deck. They're actually my favorite company for cards. Is that the patch auto? Yeah. The patch auto usually comes the first 10 packs. The first half of the box. We'll save it. I've been doing that for a while now. I don't know why. I guess we're trying to build suspense a little. There's a Kadeem Carey Future Watch. This is the classic 2000 design that's from the Tom Brady's rookie year. So that's cool. They did that. Brought that back. I'm actually liking the 2015 crop of rookies too. So hopefully I can bust a lot of 2015 too. There's not much out right now. There's Upper Deck and Inscriptions. I don't think the Inscriptions looks too good, but the Upper Deck's overpriced. It's like $100 a box. I'll wait till that's about 70. Mosley Canvas. I'm just kind of ranting right now. Tom Savage. That's the SP version. I've got tons of these base rookies, so if there's a player you want, we can talk about a price. I've got like 30 or 40 of each player. There's Jarvis. I've never pulled that card. That's cool. Yeah, just let me know. Depends on the player. I could go like 25 cents a card or something. Roger Cray, Authentic Moments. They're actually nice looking cards for just base. Clean cards. There's a Charlie Ward. There's an Elway. Thurman Thomas, SP. Auto. Troy Nicholas. Not bad. I don't know what he's going to do this year, but I think he did a lot last year. He's a rookie, though. Carlos Hyde, short print. Athletic Moments, Allen Robinson. That's a cool looking card. There's a Nasty Breeze, short print. That's nasty. D'Anthony Thomas, 999 watch. 2 packs left. Then we got the patch. Let me know what you guys think about this product. I mean, I'm pretty high now. I don't know how everybody else is, but it's just me, Devontae, and Derek Carr. Derek, not David. We got a canvas of Jeremy Hill. Okay, that is it. Tons of nice inserts. 2 autos are already in, so now we got the patch out. I'm going to go ahead and guess we're going to have Bruce Ellington. That's my guess. Bruce Ellington. Beckham. Show me Beckham. Ah, D'Anthony. I was saying that because I know that Beckham's a redemption. D'Anthony Thomas is cool, though. He's a Chief. It's 550. Hopefully it comes with a nasty patch. That wasn't bad at all. Couple nice players. Troy Nicholas. It's alright. So the recap, we'll just do the 3 hits. D'Anthony Thomas, 550. Patch auto. Troy Nicholas, base auto. And base auto of Teddy Bridgewater. That's it.